Hey, welcome back. It's 164 scale racing. There we got a few more old Johnny Lightning. Let's get started. Got a Johnny Lightning Firebird. Got a 55 Chevy Bel Air, official pace car, 500-mile race. Got a nice detailed engine. Next, we got a 79 Chevy Corvette. Then we got a 66 Oldsmobile Tornado. If I ain't mistaken, I believe these things was front wheel drive. I really think they were. Then we got a 68 T-Bird, but it ain't convertible. And then last, we got a Johnny Lightning Hearst Muscle, featuring Linda Vaughn, Miss Hearst Golden Shifter. Pretty neat. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. Check out my other videos of 164 scale racing. Got plenty of Johnny Lightnings to look at. Until then, we'll see you later. Thanks.